Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Dodge Journey. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands before working underneath. Gather all your tools, such as various wrenches and a ratchet set, to make the process smoother and more efficient. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful repair. Next, you'll need to locate the starter motor, which is typically found on the passenger side of the engine, near the transmission. Once you've identified it, carefully disconnect the electrical connections. There will be a main power cable and a smaller solenoid wire. Then, proceed to remove any mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine block or transmission housing. Take your time with each step. With the electrical connections and mounting bolts removed, you can now carefully maneuver the old starter out of its position. It might be a bit heavy and awkward, so be prepared. Once it's out, take a moment to inspect the old starter for any obvious signs of damage or wear. Before installing the new unit, it's a good practice to clean the mounting surface to ensure a proper fit and connection. This helps prevent future issues. Finally, it's time to install your new starter. Carefully position the new unit into place and secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all the electrical wires, ensuring they are snug and properly attached. Once everything is connected, reattach the negative battery cable. Then, start your vehicle to confirm the new starter is working correctly. Congratulations, you've replaced your starter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.